Here is Jingle Bells, starting on 2A. So that's the song, and here is the notes explained a little bit. So the first line starts on 2A, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and then open 2E, A, 1, 2. So you do open E, open A, and then back up the ladder, A, 1, 2. So okay, then the next line starts with 3A. So sing this, it's just like the notes of the song. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey. And then you have the same first line. And then here's the last line. It's similar to the second line, but the ending is a little bit different. So it starts on 3A. So the ending goes E, E, 3A, 1A, A, 3E. So, and that's Jingle Bells.